Welcome to this tutorial over deleting an assessment in Aware. Before we get started, a few important reminders. For best results, use Google Chrome or Firefox when accessing Aware. For full functionality of Aware, do not use the PISD portal for access. Rather, access Aware by typing the link below directly into your browser. Before deleting an assessment, a few important notes. Deleting an assessment will completely remove the assessment from the list of available administrations. Teachers will no longer be able to collect data for an assessment once it has been deleted. Deleting an assessment will not delete previously collected data associated with the assessment. If you need to delete all previously collected data associated with an assessment, use the Clear Answer Documents option. Once you have logged into Aware, navigate to the Assessments tab. In this example, we will delete a school assessment. Click on School Assessment, then drill down to the location where you have the assessment saved. Once you have located the assessment, click on the General tab. Scroll down to the panel that says Remove Assessment. Here you have the option to delete the assessment. Remember that deleting the assessment will remove it from the list of available administrations. It will not remove data that was previously collected for the assessment. The data will remain stored in the Analyze tab. If you need to delete previously collected data, navigate to the Administration tab. Then click Clear Answer Sheet. This will invalidate previously generated answer documents, as well as delete data that was previously collected for the assessment. Once you clear the data, you will not be able to retrieve it. Clearing answer documents is not required when deleting an assessment. It is an option. Now that we have cleared the answer sheets, let's navigate to the General tab and delete the assessment. Again, you will click General, scroll down to Remove Assessment, and click Delete. Last, you have the option to confirm or cancel the deletion. Once you confirm, the assessment will be deleted. If you need additional assistance, please contact your level data specialist. For high school, this is James Early. For middle school, Chrissy Dollins. And for elementary school, Darcy Hurd. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.